Hello and welcome to our video covering how to install a Chase-mounted toilet. The first step will be to locate and mount the floor Z-clip. This is only used on toilets with a wall outlet waste that sit on the floor. This bracket will slide over the flange that is at the front of the toilet and provides additional support to help prevent the front of the bowl from being lifted up as a leverage point. This bracket does have slots for adjustments, but we recommend doing a test fit before drilling holes and anchoring this in place. Next, we will get the toilet out of the box and pre-install components from the fixture side of the wall to make installation within the Chase easier. You will generally have between 4 and 6 anchor to install, depending on the model of toilet that you have. Depending on the options you have, you can also go ahead and install the coupling in the A247 flush supply extension. We are now ready to push the toilet back towards the wall, making sure to line up the anchors with the pass-through holes in the frame. Now we can jump back to the Chase to finalize our installation. First, we will install the washers and nuts onto the anchor rods, ensuring these are firmly tightened. Now you're ready to connect the toilet to your existing supply and wastewater lines according to your local plumbing codes. Installation is now complete at this point, but we do recommend also installing the Metcraft flush valve pipe stabilizer. Thanks for watching.